This is a video showing you how to move your files around into the correct hub and the correct folder so that I can grade things and make sure that I can help you with any part of your project that you need. So first thing is to open up your data panel on the left hand side of your screen with these 9 squares. Once your data panel is open, you will likely not see as many projects and things as I have in here, but under the top, you will probably see a name that you created when you started your Fusion account. This is where you switch between hubs, which can be have members that are people that's either you or other people. So I'm going to go down and switch to an old team hub that I had with an old co-teacher. And it takes a long time to switch, probably 3 times as long as it just did for me. And then when you're in the other team, you'll see all of the other files in the other team hub. First, I should have mentioned that you should save your file. Well, let's pretend that I'm starting where you are now. So I'm going to open up a file that we made a long time ago. And I'm going to before we switch back to the correct hub, I'm going to first save this, so file save, and then I'm going to export it as well. So I'm going to export it so it's just on my hard drive on my computer. So file export, then you're going to name the file, and you're going to save it as an F3D, which should be the default for you, which is a full Fusion file that doesn't have any of the data lost. And then you're going to save it in your downloads. If you can't find your downloads, make sure you go in here and then go to, mine looks different because it's a Mac, but you'll find your downloads folder and open and then export. Then it'll give you a warning when it's done exporting, so don't that's an old one. It'll tell you, there it is, the test just completed, so don't close it before that's done. And then we're going to switch hubs. So if you click on the hub up at the top here in your data panel, you should see Engineering Design and Marine Engineering if I have added you. However, if I didn't know which email you used to create your Fusion account, or I made some mistake, you won't see that. If that happens, email me, give me the name of the email address that you do use, and then I'll add you to it. If you are unsure which email you used, click on your icon in the upper left and upper right, and go to, I think it's Autodesk account. It'll open the internet and the Autodesk website. And then I believe once this loads, I don't know if you can see this because I might have gone off screen. Once it loads, you click on the icon again in the upper right, and then select, I think the easiest one to use is, what's it called? Password and security. If you click on password and security, then it'll take you to your email address that you use for Fusion. Anyway, that's a bit of a detour. If you can't figure that out, let me know. I'll help you figure that out too. Once you switch into the correct folder, then you're going to go to the folder for your class and the folder for you. I'm going to pretend I'm Tucker. And then you're going to go to upload. Upload, select file, and then you can find the file in your downloads, open it, and upload. And then you'll end up with that file in the correct folder where I can view it as well. If you don't have privileges to save in this folder, then you also need to let me know so I can update your access and make sure that you can save in the correct folder. All right, that's it.